Beautiful people, welcome back to the channel. Happy Wednesday. Hope you guys are having a fabulous week. As we speak, guys, me and Jamie and his family are in Centre Park in Sherwood Forest. We're having a week off. We're coming back on Friday, so I thought to get a couple of videos on the channel while me and Jamie relax. Have a look on Instagram because I will be sharing some photos and some, stories and blah blah blah. Today I'm going to be sharing how I'm going to play with this stamp. This was on my wish list for quite a while. This video is not sponsored by any change form. This is it's been bought to me by Santa. It was on my wish list for a little while. This stamp is quite expensive. It's coming from USA, so it's an American brand, hence why in here it is quite pricey. It's probably one of the most expensive stamps that I own, but it's fine. It's, Santa, I've been a very good boy, hence why Santa bought me this. It's the more brilliant butterflies for my favorite things. I'm going to be sharing with you guys what I made with those. Okay guys, so today I want to play with the new to me. I bet this stamp set is a few years old. It's from my favorite things and it's called Brilliant Butterflies. You get the stamps and also they sell the dies. So this has been bought to me from lovely Santa for Christmas. It was on my wish list. It's hard to get hold of this because this is an American company. I know for you guys that are watching overseas, you're very familiar with my favorite things, but these sort of products, they're quite hard to find here in UK. So of course, the made in USA, and I must admit, the quality of the stamps are incredible. So this is not sponsored. This is for my wish list from Santa, and Santa bought it to me. Thank you, Santa. So today I thought, let's have a little play. So basically, in fact, stay some white so you can see. It's a layering stamp set, and I found out about this a few years ago, and I was like, oh, I don't really need another butterfly stamps. I don't really need another butterfly stamps. And then just before Christmas, I thought I do need another butterfly stamps. So it was quite expensive. I think it was £20. So they're not cheap, but honestly, it's worth the money. So you get. And to be fair, I never ever watched any tutorials on how to use these stamps, but I thought that basically the body of the butterflies, the stamps was attached. It's not true. So you get two separate stamps. So the top wings and the bottom wings are two separate stamps. And then you get this more detail stamps that you can stamp on top of it. So you got 4 different butterflies. So you got one which is more like long and thin. So you've got the detail top one, and then you've got your top wings and your bottom wings. One that is more squared, if we can say that, top and bottom. Another one similar to that, but again, a bit more narrow, because that's narrower than that, with the top and bottom wings. And then you've got a side butterflies where the 2 wings are on the side. And then you got the wings and a little body of the butterflies. So I had a little play because I could not wait. So let me show you. Let's zoom in. In fact, let me move my blocks. So let's zoom in. Okay. So this one here is the large one. So this one here. So. And I'll show you the different color combination because I got my my inks next to me. So I was just having a play and I was like, ooh, this is very addictive. And I must admit, I fussy cut them. So my thumb is a bit sore. Too much fussy cutting. But honestly, guys, oops, I really, really like them. So that's them. And I'm going to move it close to the camera so you guys can see them. So pink on pink, pink on orange, pink on purple. This is my favorite color combination. It's blue and teal, navy and red, navy and pink, and then blue and navy, blue and pink, and blue and blue. So that literally that's the opposite of one another. Then I played with this one here. which is this one. And I will show you. Let me put it on the white cardstock so you guys can see it. Oh my god, 4 minutes, I've not done anything. Right, Antonio, shut up and move. Gotta be quick. Oh, honestly guys, I absolutely love them. That's my favorite. I quite like that one, but the Memento ink, I'm not a fan, and I do like that one. So I'm going to do something now, and we're going to play with that. And what else did we say that we like? That one. Yeah. So that's that one. And then last but not least is this one here, which is the narrow long one, which is, I think, is my favorite. And I made a few of those. It's got orange and red, pink and yellow, yellow and green, yellow and orange, blue and orange, and orange and orange. And I think that is my favorite one. Okay, so we're going to play with these at the minute. Let me just put these all together. What I thought we're going to do, we're going to have a little play with some vellum, and I got a heat resistant acetate. So we're going to make some transparent wings with some gold decoration. Everything will make sense in just a second. Stamps, the 2 butterflies. So I've done a couple. I've done a pair because I want to try 2 different things and see if it works. So I got here a sheet of vellum. So let's start with this one first. So a little. Okay, perfect. And I got my scrub, Stampin' Up scrub. So every time I use the stamp, I clean them and they go away straight away. So that I don't have to do that later after the video, and it takes me half an hour to tidy up. So one, do that. In fact, I'm gonna leave it outside because gonna leave it out because I need it in a bit. And then we do the same with these 2. So let's do this one there. See, when I say the quality of the stamps, I mean, you can see it, definitely see it. Look how beautiful these stamps. They should be paying on doing free advertisement to My Little Things. You're very welcome, My Little Things. And I'm only kidding. What is the 3rd one? Did I pick it? Where did I put it? Where is the 3rd butterfly? Oh god. And you see, I don't mind. I'm always the idea of I don't mind paying a bit more and really get a return of investment. But sometimes you don't do that. You ended up paying something and you don't get the return of investment. So what I was thinking, let's see if it works. Yeah, it will work. That will come here and this will come, is that right? No, sorry, that was there. Okay, so I'm gonna do the same now with my heat resistant acetate. Okay guys, that's the final result. So this is the vellum. I must admit, I do prefer them. That's the vellum. Maybe with the mellow, definitely not with the gold, because it's not as transparent as I was hoping to be. So that's the vellum, that's the gold. That's the vellum, that's the gold. But if you compare that to this one, for example, when it's just plain paper, I think they look better with just being just papers. But just a couple of options if you guys want to play with those. So, but yeah, so yeah, I had quite a lot of fun making them. What I did as well, I created these little embellishments, nothing like, I just put them in some doilies, and I put some sequins. I just got a few here, but they're very, very simple. But I thought they could be quite cute embellishments. This is probably my favorite. I mean, I glue them so you can lift the wings and it looks like they're flying. I put my giant sequins. Blue one. They're, again, super duper simple. Yeah, definitely better on paper than the vellum or the acetate. They're quite addictive to make actually, because you can do so many different color combinations based on your taste. I love this. Blue, blue, blue. One more. That one. It's pretty. And then I've got all this left to play with, which I'll use in another project. Okay guys, hope you like them. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you like these embellishments. I'm addicted to butterflies, as you guys know. Let me know down in the comment if you have this stamp set or if you wish to purchase it, and share it on my Facebook group if you make some of this project. There is a playlist on my channel when I make quite a lot of embellishments, but click on this video here and I'll show you how to make, well, it's somewhere here on the screen, some origami butterflies that is super simple to make. I hope you guys will enjoy. Thank you ever so much for watching guys, and until Friday, stay safe and well, bye.